Mabuhay! Today I'm sharing with you an original cake recipe with yogurt and pandan leaves. I love it. It's simple, it's fragrant, it's delicious, and what's good about it is that you only need a single pandan leaf for this. And if you don't have it, you can totally skip it and you'll have a yogurt cake instead. Let me show you how to make it. Let's get started.
It's the way you cross the floor before you head on out the door. So many times I hear it's the silence of the room, the way you turn before you bloom. Don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin. There's far too many of us here, all of full of fear. It's not the way it's meant to be. We should be happy living free. Although I'm running up a hill, I feel I'm always standing still. Can't remember where I've been. I don't know where I should begin. 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 It's the fire in the rain. It's the smile within the pain. It's the logic but insane. You cannot know from where it came. It's the way you cross the floor before you head on out the door. It's the figure on the wall. So many times I heed the call. It's the silence of the room, the way you turn before you bloom. Another shadow for the blind. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Although I'm running up a hill, I feel I'm always standing still. Can't remember where I've been. I don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin. crowded planet full of fear.
So good.
It's not the way it's meant to be. We should be happy living free.